Yes, start the minute.
Yes.
Balakishan sir,
Yes, ma'am.
we can start, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, students. Welcome back to our TRICE webinar classes. So this is class 2 of Parabola. So in this class, we can discuss the various forms of the parabola. Before that, we are left a problem yesterday class or a previous class. So that is nothing but. So find the equation of the parabola whose focus is S 3, 5 and the vertex A 1, 3. So for this one, given that vertex is 1, 3 and focus S is 3, 5 and let Z be the projection of S on directrix, A is the midpoint of SZ, which means this is like that. This is like, so this is the axis and this is a parabola and this is a directrix line. So this is a vertex and a focus is taking here S, this is A and this is projection of directrix, that is Z. This is L equal to 0. So then what we are expecting, this A is the midpoint of S and Z. A is the midpoint of S and Z. Then midpoint formula. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So we know the values of A and S. Then we can find the value of Z. So for this one, I'm taking 1, 3 equal to 3 plus x by 2, 5 plus y by 2. Then from the first 3 plus x by 2 equal to 1, then I will get 2 equal to 3 plus x, then I will get x equal to -1. Similarly, 5 plus y by 2 equal to 3, then I will get 6 equal to 5 plus y, then y equal to 1. Then the z coordinates are -1, 1. Then so slope of the directrix is perpendicular to the slope of the axis. Slope of the directrix is perpendicular to the slope of the axis. So that is nothing but the slope of, I'm finding the slope of the directrix. So for that one, we know the values of slope of the SA. So we know the value of S and A, then I will find the slope of SA. So for this one, slope of the directrix equal to -1 by -1 by 5 minus 3 by 3 minus 1. Then I will get -1 by 1, that is nothing but a -1. So equation of the directrix, this is nothing but y minus y1 equal to -1 by m of x minus x1. This is the perpendicular equation for y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. So here just to replace as m as -1 by m, that is nothing but y minus 1 equal to -1 of x plus 1. This is the equation of directrix. From just to solve it, y minus 1 equal to -x minus 1, then you will get x plus y equal to 0. This is the directrix line equation, equation number 1. Then so we know that let a p point x comma y lies on the parabola. Then we know the value, we know the condition of conic section sp by pm equal to e, and it's a parabola means it's e equal to 1. Then I will get sp equal to pm. So squaring on both sides, you will get sp square equal to pm square. Then where pm is the perpendicular distance from p to directrix. So p to directrix means p is x comma y and the directrix line is x plus y equal to 0, which is equation number 1. So just sp equal to pm squares. So then x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to x plus y whole square by under root of 1 square plus 1 square. So 1 square plus 1 square is nothing but the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y. Then simplify that, x a minus b whole square. Then you will get x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y equal to. So right hand side value is x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2. Then cross multiplication. So you will get 2x square plus 2y square minus 12x minus 20y plus 68 equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Then you will get x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 12x minus 20y plus 68 is the required parabola equation. Okay, I hope all of you understand this one. So assignment was given that standard form of parabola and the find the equation of the whose focus and vertex. Similarly, so we are going to discuss now various forms of parabola. So actually, what is the circle equation with where the center 0 comma 0 and the radius is r, which is nothing but x square plus y square equal to a square or r square. So what I'm taking, radius is r, then I will get x square plus y square equal to a square r square. So then here similarly, what is the standard form of parabola, which is nothing but y square equal to 4ax. So with this here vertex, the vertex is nothing but 0 comma 0. Okay, then the parabola equation lies y square equal to 4ax where a is greater than 0. So as the figure, so parabola equation as this figure. So here vertex is 0 comma 0. Here vertex is 0 comma 0 and the focus is a comma 0. Focus is a comma 0. Why? It is lies on the x-axis or the axis of the parabola. So which means y coordinate should be 0. And the equation of directrix means distance between the directrix from the focus, that is nothing but x plus a equal to 0. Then equation of the directrix is x plus a. Axis of the parabola is nothing but y equal to 0, which means a directrix line is parallel to the parallel and axis is the perpendicular to that one, then y value should be 0. This is the y square equal to 4x. Similarly, I'm taking y square equal to minus 4x, which means this is lies on the first and fourth coordinate, and y square equal to minus 4x lies on the second and third coordinate, which means the figure like this. So observe this one. So same vertex is same, so projection is different. So projection is different. It's a first in the first y square equal to 4x, it's a lies on the positive of x-axis, and y square equal to minus 4x lies in the negative of x-axis. So as the figure, so that is vertex is nothing but a 0 comma 0, focus is minus a comma 0. Equation of the directrix is x minus a equal to 0, and accept the parabola same as is y equal to 0. So then next here we observe y square equal to 4x, y square equal to minus 4x, and this is lies with the, this is projection, I mean respect with the x-axis. I'm taking now respect with the y-axis. Then x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to 4ay, this is a is greater than 0. So the diagram like this, so which is lies in the first and second coordinate. So here same vertex is 0 comma 0, focus is 0 comma a. Why? The because of it lies on the y-axis, means x coordinate should be 0. So then equation of the directrix y plus a equal to 0. Similarly in the previous y square equal to 4x, I will get x plus a equal to 0, and accept the parabola in the y square equal to 4x is y equal to 0. Now x square equal to 4ay, x equal to 0. Similarly x square equal to minus 4a y, which is a greater than 0. So then diagram like this, so downwards of the x-axis. So vertex is 0 comma 0, focus is 0 comma minus a, and equation of the direct is y minus a equal to 0, and the axis of the parabola x equal to 0. So these are 4 types of parabola, and which is vertex 0 comma 0. And now we are going to, if the center h comma k and the radius is r, then the circle equation may x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Similarly in the previous we are taking only 0 comma 0, now we apply the h comma k, then I will get y minus k whole square equal to 4a of x minus h, where a is greater than 0, where a is greater than 0. Then vertex, here vertex in the previous 4 concepts we get 0 comma 0 as the vertex. Now we are taking as h comma k is the vertex, and which h comma k is always greater than 0. So the diagram like this. So which means here this 0, which means this is the origin. The origin shifted to h comma k. I'm taking sorry, this is here a. So origin shifted to vertex, that is h comma k. So here what is the h comma k? This value is h, this value is k, and this value is a comma sorry, h comma h plus a comma k. So here, as per the transformation of axis in the first year or the change of axis, the center transformed from 0 to 0 comma 0 to h comma k. Similarly, here vertex I'm taking h comma k, then focus can be changed as this is h and this is the length of a. This is a. So okay, then h plus a and the k value as per the this y-axis we get value of a. This is nothing but h plus a comma k. Equation of the directrix as usual change as what is the x minus a we are taking in the x y square equal to 4ax, that is nothing but this one x minus a equal to 0. Similarly here just this is x minus h plus a equal to 0. Similarly in the axis of the parabola we are taking that y equal to 0, here y minus k equal to 0 due to the vertex was changed to 0 comma 0 to h comma k. Okay, then similarly here we are taking y minus k whole square equal to 4a of x minus h where a is greater than 0, which means right side of the y-axis. I'm taking left side of the y-axis, then I will get this equation y minus k whole square equal to 4a of minus 4a of x minus h where a is greater than 0, and the similarly vertex as h comma k and the focus is h minus a comma k. Equation of the directrix as h minus x minus h minus a equal to 0. So accept the parabola y minus k equals 0. The diagram as follows. So similar properties for this one. This is the in positive and the first, this one is positive and this one is negative. Just difference between them. So next I'm going to, if I am taking in the respect to y-axis, now x-axis, then x minus h whole square equal to 4a of y minus k where a is greater than 0, then h comma k is great, h comma k is the vertex and h is greater than 0, k is greater than 0. Focus h comma k plus a. So what happened here? In the previous h plus a equal to k. Why? Because it lies in the first coordinate with respect to y-axis. So x-axis, sorry. So x-axis. Now I'm taking in with respect to x-axis, x-axis or y-axis, sorry, y-axis. Then I will get h comma k plus a. So just the center moves 0 comma 0 to h comma k. Then we will get h comma k is the vertex and the focus h comma k plus a, and the directrix line equation y minus k plus a equal to 0, and the parabola equation is x minus h equal to 0. In the previous y minus k equal to 0 and the directrix equation is x minus h plus a equal to 0. Then next, this is a positive, sixth one is positive and the seventh one is negative. Similarly vertex h comma k and the focus is h comma k minus a, and the equation of directrix is y minus k minus a equal to 0, and the parabola axis of the parabola what x minus h equal to 0. So here this is the figure for the x minus h whole square equal to y minus 4a of y minus k, a is greater than 0. So these are 8 types of the parabola, 8 types of the parabola. So then now other type is there, so that is depends upon the conic definition. So that is nothing but x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is nothing but equal to lx plus my plus n equal to 0 by l square plus m square. This is nothing but the general or a standard form of a conic. So standard form of a conic, that is nothing but sp by pm equal to e, then sp equal to epm, then where e equal to 1, then sp equal to pm, where sb the here sb s is taking as a focus, that is nothing but alpha comma beta, and lx plus my be the directrix of the equation, and the axis of the parabola is like this. So how can we find the axis of the parabola? So a point, see here, so we know the parallel equation and a perpendicular equations. A minus a of x minus x naught plus b of y minus y naught equal to 0. Excuse me, see, I am getting some that. So this is a of x minus h naught equal to 0 plus b of y minus y naught equal to 0 is the line equation. Then this perpendicular equation is nothing but b of x minus x naught and minus a of y minus y naught equal to 0. Similarly, we get the axis of the parabola. This one. Okay. And the vertex is nothing but a. Now solve problems. We are taking to some problems. So find the coordinates of the vertex and the focus and equation of the directrix axis of the following parabola. So he will give a question and a y square equal to 16x. This is like and the y square equal to 4x. Just y square equal 16x comparing with the y square equal 4x, we will get 4a equal to 16. Just this 4a equal to 16, which means a equal to 4. Then this is the a value and the coordinates or a vertex. Vertex is nothing but this is 0, 0. Why? Because of its vertex is 0, 0 from the standard forms. And the focus is a, 0. A value we have that is 4, 0. And the equation of the directrix x plus a equal to 0. Then x plus 4 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 4. Next, axis of the parabola is nothing but y equal to 0. Why? Because of this is parallel to this is lies on the x-axis. So similarly, second one. So previously one y square equal to 4x formula. Now x square equal to 4 minus 4ay. I'm taking x square equal to minus 4ay. Then compare with the x square equal to minus 4ay. Then you will get a equal to 1. A equal to 1. The coordinates of the axis is 0, 0 and the focus is 0, minus a, that is nothing but 0, minus 1. And equation of the directrix is y minus a equal to 0. Then y minus 1 equal to 0 and y equal to 1. And the axis of the parabola is nothing but x equal to 0. Next equation. Find the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 3, minus 2 and the focus 3, 1. So in the previous first problem we are discussed like same problem, but find the equation. So that is the general equation. Now we have to transform out of those 8 parabolas. So for that one, here vertex is 3, minus 2, focus is 3, 1. So here clearly visible that these x coordinates are same. Which means so x coordinates are same in a and s. Then axis of the parabola is nothing but 3. Axis of the parabola x minus 3 equal to 0. Then so a line is parallel to y axis. So nothing. Okay. Then equation of the parabola is x minus h whole square equal to 4a of y minus k. So this parabola like this one. So then so a equal to 3, minus 2, h equal to 3, 1. Then from this one, a is nothing but h, k. A is nothing but h, k, and the focus is nothing but h of h, k plus a. So from this one, these both are equal, which means I will get clearly h equal to 3. For finding k, we know the value of a. Okay, we have to find the value of a. Sorry. So k plus a equal to 1. Then from this one, k plus a equal to here we have that one minus 2 plus a equal to 1, a equal to 3. This value is a. Then the required parabola equation is x minus h whole square equal to 4a of y minus k. Then we have the value of h and a k and the value of a. Just you have to substitute the values in the equation. X minus h whole square equal to 4a of y minus k. Then you will get x minus 3 whole square equal to 4 of 3 of y minus of minus 2 is nothing but x minus 3 whole square equal to 12 of y plus 2. So this is the required equation for the vertex and the focus. So now what is the by doing completing square method is I'm saying that what is completing square method. For the example, we are taking here a square, we have that a square minus 2ab. So I have to complete the I have to transform this form into completing square method. For that one, I'm adding and subtracting b square, adding and subtracting. Then this formula goes to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This can be a minus b whole square, this minus b square as usually. So we have to completing square method, use the completing square method for finding the equations in the given problems. So that is nothing but find the coordinates of the vertex and the focus and the equation of the direction and the axis of the parabola, which is first one x square minus 2x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. So just clearly here visible that this is x square. So x square means this is x minus h whole square equal to 4a of y minus k, or minus 4a of y minus k is the required circles. So for that one, so now, so given that x minus x square minus 2x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0, then I'm taking, this is the left side, x square minus 2x. So this one here, observe this one like this, and I'm adding b square. How can we find b square? Here just 2x is there, I'm multiplying with 1, there is no change. So which means b value is 1. B value is 1. X square minus 2x into 1 equal to minus 4y plus 3. Next, this one I'm adding 1 plus 1 minus 1. Then I will get this one, x minus h x minus 1 whole square minus 1 equal to 4 minus 4y plus 3. Then x minus, so x minus 1 whole square equal to minus 4y plus 4. Just you have to take here minus 4 as a common, then you will get x minus 1 whole square equal to minus 4 minus 1. Then just to compare with the x minus h whole square minus 4a of y minus k. Sorry, this is k, sorry, so printing mistake, typing. So x minus h whole square equal to minus 4 of y minus k. Then you will get, compare this one, this will get 1, and this is the same, then which means 4a equal to minus 4, minus 4a equal to minus 4, then we'll get a equal to 1, and the a k value also 1. This is the vertex is h comma k, that is nothing but 1 comma 1. This is vertex. And the focus is nothing but h of k minus a, h of k minus a. From this one, focus is nothing but h of k minus a equal to 1 comma 1 minus 1, that is nothing but 1 comma 0. Equation of the directrix is nothing but y minus k minus a equal to 0. Then just substitute y minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0, then you will get y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix. And the axis, except the parabola, is nothing but x minus h equal to 0, that is h value is 1, then you will get x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the way of solving the vertex focus equation of directrix and the axis of the parabola from the given equations. So similarly, by doing completing square method, we are doing in the previous problem with the x square. Now we are going to do a y square, sorry, x square here. So you have to do this one, 3x square minus 9x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Just in the previous problem, that is nothing but there is no coefficient of x square, and here we have the coefficient of x square, then you will get the different, then h is equal to a by b form, in the form k equal to a by b form. So now we have to do 3x square minus 9x plus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. Just substitute, just to adjust the values. 3 of x square I'm taking from this one, I'm taking 3 is common, x square minus 3x. Then these values taking to right side, I will get 2 minus 5y. Then just here x square minus 3x, this is nothing but like this one, I'm adding the, so for this one we have to, here 3, but here minus 2, only 2 is there. Then for getting 2 here, I'm multiplying with 2 by 2, then I will get this one. So multiplying with 2 by 2, then 2x of 3 by 2, then add it one, b square minus b square, then I will get this one, x minus 2ab plus b square minus b square. Just simplify this one, 3 of x square minus 2x of 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4, and again negative 9 by 4 taking to outside of the bracket, then you will get minus 27 by 4, that is nothing but 2, that is equal to 2 minus 5 by 4. Then this is nothing but a minus b whole square form. So 3 of x minus 3 whole square, that is nothing but 2 equal to 2 minus 5y plus 27 by 4. Taking into right side, then you will get this is positive. So Now this is the, just you have to clear that one. So this is 3 of x minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 5y plus 35 by 4. Solving. So this one you will get minus 5. Here taking minus 5 is common, you will get this value. And also you have to transform into x minus h whole square equal to minus 4a of y minus k. Then you will get the values of comparing with x minus h whole square minus 4a of y minus k. Then you will get, so h value is 3 by 2, k value is 7 by 4, 4a equal to minus 5 by 3, that is nothing but a equal to minus 5 by 2 from this one. So then first we have to coordinates of the vertices, that is nothing but h comma k, 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4, and focus h comma k minus a, 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4 minus 5 by 12. Then you can solve that one, you will get 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3. So equation of the directrix y minus k minus a equal to 0. Just substitute the values and solve it, you will get this one, 6y minus 13 equal to 0. So equation of the axis x minus h equal to 0. So x minus h value is nothing but 3 by 2. Just substitute, then you will get 2x minus 3 equal to 0. That is the based on the x square formulas. Now you will get y square formula. So just y square equal to y square, y minus k whole square equal to 4a of x minus x. This is in the form. So then y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 4. I'm adding here plus 4 minus 4. So then I'm taking x value, x comma constant value, taking to right side. Then I will get y plus 2 whole square minus 4 equal to x minus 5. Then y plus 2 whole square equal to x minus 1. So then I will get h value is 1, k value is minus 2, a value is 1 by 4. Then vertex is nothing but 1 comma minus 2, which means h comma k. So and so focus is h plus a comma k. Focus is h plus a comma k. Then add 1 plus 1 by 4 comma minus 2, that is nothing but 5 by 4 comma minus 2. Equation of the directrix is nothing but x minus a plus x minus h plus a equal to 0. So then substitute the values, then you will get x minus 1 plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Then you will get x minus 3 by 4, that is nothing but 4x minus 3 equal to 0 is the directrix of the equation. Then x of the equation is nothing but y minus k equal to 0. This is y minus of minus 2 is nothing but y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the problem to solve the y square, base of y square. And find the vertex and the focus. Similarly, this is lies on the y square. Previously no coefficient of y square, now coefficient of y square. So that is nothing but 4y square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 equal to 0. So 4y square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67. Just you have to take the y square values, y values into left side and the x values and constant values into right side. Then you will get y minus y square minus 5y. Here we are taking 4 as common. Then we will get 4 of y square minus 5y. Then I'm taking 4 to right side. Then I will get this value divided with 4, which means I will get minus 3x minus 67 by 4. And this is in the form of y square minus 2a 2xy. Then I have to add x square minus y square. So just I am adding 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square. That is nothing but minus 3x minus 67 by 4, which is y minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 25 by 4 equal to minus 3x minus 67 by 4. Just simplify that one. You will get y minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to minus 3x minus 42 by 4. Minus 42 by 4 is nothing but, sorry, so just to simplify that one. So then you will get this one, 21 by 2, that is 7 by you have to take, this is minus 3, taking common x plus 7 by 2. So y minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to minus of 3 x plus 7 by 2. So then comparing with y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a of x minus h. Then we get h value as minus 7 by 2, k value is 5 by 2, and 4a is nothing but minus 3, then a equal to minus 3 by 4. These are the required values for finding vertex and the focus. Vertex is nothing but h comma k, that is minus 7 by 2 comma 5 by 2, and the focus is nothing but h plus a comma k minus 7 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4, that is comma 5 by 2. Then I will get, so sorry, then I will get this value is 4 LCM, then 2 minus 14 minus 3. So this is minus 17 by 4 comma 5 by 2 is the required answer. So find the equations of axis and directrix of the parabola. Just you have to take as this is as a assignment. This is assignment. Take this is as assignment. Now next, so just observe this one if you don't any idea. So now observe this one, students. You have to take this is assignment. Okay. Now next problem. Find the equation of the parabola whose lattice rectum is the line segment joining the points. So this is the we have to find the equation of the parabola from the line segment of a lattice rectum. So that is nothing but the parabola like this. So observe this one, students. So this is the end points of the lattice rectum. These two are end point of the lattice rectum. Then, so given ends of the lattice rectum, this L minus 3 comma 2, L dash is minus 3 comma 1. This means length of the lattice rectum is 4a. We already proved that length of the lattice rectum is 4a. Then length of the lattice rectum. I'm finding the length of the lattice rectum. That is nothing but distance between these two. So minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square, that is nothing but 0 square plus minus 1 whole square is nothing but plus or minus 1. Then I will get a value as this is nothing but 4a equal to plus or minus 1. Then I'm getting a value as plus or minus 1 by 4. So and what is the midpoint of this length of the lattice rectum? That is S, which is passing through the focus. So which means minus 3 comma minus 3 by 2 from the midpoint formula. So then if a value minus 1 by 4, a value as minus 1 by 4, then we'll get a equation. If a value is plus 1 by 4, I will get other equation. So that is a equal to is nothing but h plus a comma k. So that is y minus k whole square equal 4a of x minus h. I am taking this one as like that. So then what is the vertex? A equal to minus 11 by 4 comma 3 by 2. Then substitute the values. Y minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to 4 of minus 1 by 4 of x plus 11 by 4, which is nothing but 2y minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 1 minus of 4x plus 11 by 4. Then solve this one. You will get 4y square minus 12y plus 9 by 4 equal to minus of 4x plus 11 by 4. Then these two 4s gets cancelled and you will get so these values and solve that one. Then you will get 4y square minus 12y plus 9 equal to minus 4x minus 11 equal to, this is the required parabola equation for the given problem and the ends of the lattice rectum. Okay. Sorry, if a equal to minus 1 by 4, if a equal to minus 1 by 4, if a equal to minus 1 by 4, then you will get a equal to minus a equal to 1 by 4, then you will get, this is case 2, this is a equal to, the vertex can be changed as minus 3 comma minus 1 by 4 3 by 2, then you will get this one. So which means h minus a comma k, you will get the value minus 13 by 4 comma 3 by 2. So equation of the parabola y minus k whole square equal to 4 of x minus h. Just substitute the values, then you will get y minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to 4 of minus 1 by 4 of x plus minus 13 by 4. You will get 2y minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 4x minus 13 by 4. Then solve this one. You will get 4y square minus 12y plus 9 equal to minus 4x plus 13. Then the required equation is 4y square minus 12y plus 4x minus 3 is the required equation as a equal to 1 by 4. This is the finding the parabola equation giving the conditions. Okay. So next, assignment for today. So that is nothing but, so x square minus 6x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0. Just here, so this is in the form of where we did two problems on this one, x square one. So first problem is the main example. So this you have to do x square minus x square 6x, x square minus 6x. Just take to left hand side and this value take to right hand side and solve into, this is x minus h whole square, x minus h whole square equal to x minus h whole square equal to, and the value, this is 4a. I'm taking, this is 4a. Why can I taking 4a? I would take to minus 4a also, but here the value of y value, coefficient of x is here negative value. So taking to right side, this will be going to positive. Then this is of y minus k. So that's why I'm taking this value is x minus h whole square equal to 4a of y minus k. Just to transform into in this one and find vertex and the focus of the given equation. And next, this is other. So axis and the directrix. So find the equation of the axis and the directrix as per this one. So this is different. So just you have to completing square method, you have to do the completing square method and take x square, this value also taking same problem, same formula and same problem. You have to do this and find the equation of the, find the coordinates of the vertex and the focus and the directrix and the parabola. So in the first two questions I'm taking separately given that one. So vertex and the focus is separate and the axis and the directrix is separate. So for practice purpose, and now I'm taking, you have to find all the force in the one equation, that is nothing but y square plus 4x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0, which is nothing but this is in the form of y minus whole square equal to minus 4a of, this is minus 4a of x minus h. So this is minus 4a of x minus h. So why can I taking minus 4a? You're taking minus plus 4a and you're taking minus 4a. What is the value? This value, this x value is positive. Then this is in the left hand side. We are taking to right hand side. This will be going to negative. That's why I'm taking this minus 4a. Then this is x minus h. So you have to solve with the y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a of x minus h. This is the assignment, and all of you, I'm expecting all of you students reach the concepts. Okay, so next, so class 3. So this is enough for today class. Thank you everyone and one and all. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Okay, right, sir.